Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to handle the returns and refunds on Depop as a seller. So when a buyer contacts you about a return, first of all, you need to ask them to raise the issue via the Depop's resolution center if the item is damaged significantly not as described or there is another problem with the order. So once the issue is raised, you need to just simply click on this particular inbox icon. Over here, you need to review your buyer's details and respond to the request. You have 48 hours to provide a solution or respond to the issue. Now, if you agree to the return, you just have to simply follow the return instructions and wait for the item to come back. Now, once you have received it, you can then issue the buyer a full refund through your sold items. So you will find that option over here. When you are inside the sold section, you will see the option of refund, so you can tap on it, follow further instructions in order to issue the full refund. For a smaller issue where the buyer keeps the item, you can agree on a partial refund instead, so the buyer doesn't need to return the item in that case for the partial refund. So that's how you can basically handle the returns and the refund. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.